the Lean From plugin comes with an interesting feature which we called the multi-step from. As you can see here, here is a contact form, and the problem is this is kind of long, and both the UI and UX perspective, this type of form is not recommended. On the other hand, using the Lean From's multi-step feature, you can convert your existing contact form to the multi-steps like this one. So how we can achieve this? Here is our existing contact form, which is look like this, and we will convert it to the multi-step. At first, click the step. After installing Lean From, you will find here some features as well the row, column, and the step. Click on the step and click the insert tag. Remove this and cut this one. This is the ending tag. Like the HTML, it's work. As we know, the HTML have the starting tag and the ending tag. So we want full name, email, additional note on the first step. So here is the additional notes. Paste here the ending tag and correct the step title to the personal information and add here equal, because we will add a string tag here. Personal information for the first question step, and cut this and delete this. So this is the first question, and this is the second question. Add the ending tag and add title, add equal, replacing the colon, and S3 tag, meal and drinks. Then this will be the third step. Insert here and got it. It will be sleep, exercise, and supplements, and history will be the same. Save button and go to your contact form and reload the page. As you can see here, the multi-steps has been appear. Click next, or you can back to the previous. That's how the multi-steps work. Let me introduce you some settings and options of the multi-steps. Just scroll down and you'll find here Lean From settings. And from the settings, you'll find here the multi-steps. Click the multi-steps. Here are some options for the multi-steps as well as indicator style. We can change this dots or none. Currently as progress bar, we can change this dots and click the save change button. Now take a look at the change. But we want the progress bar, so we want to keep it the progress bar, and progress text element center and all our settings and options are correct. So we are hitting the save change button and go to your contact form and reload the page. That's how simply you can convert your existing contact form to the multi-steps from. Thank you for watching.